So, good evening, my dear students. Today you will learn about classification of contract. So, contract may be classified according to their validity, formation, and performance. So, we will be discussing about according to the validity. What do you mean by a valid contract? An agreement enforceable at a law is a valid contract. An agreement becomes a contract when all the essential of valid contract as laid out in the section 10 of the Indian Contract Act are fulfilled. So, a contract that fulfills the provision under the section 10 of Indian Contract Act, that is mean essential features of contract 1872, it's said to be a valid contract. So suppose A offers to sell his house for rupees 5 lakhs to B agrees to buy it for this price, it is said to be a valid contract. So I hope you will I think you are understood. Next you will learn about void contract, an agreement which was legally enforceable when entered into but which has become void due to preventing impossibility of performance. When it was entered, it was valid, but when it was in the performance, there was impossibility. So such contract is known as void contract. So example, a contract between a citizen of India and China is a valid contract during the peace. But if they are in the war, so that agreement will be void. That is known as void contract. Then you will be learn about void agreements. An agreement to carry out illegal act is example of void agreement. So an agreement between drug dealers and buyers is a void agreement simply because the terms of contract are illegal. So with I give an example, that is between the drug dealers and buyers. So it is act is illegal because in the terms of contract it is illegal. In such case, neither party can go to court to enforce the contract. Next one is voidable contract. According to the section 2I of the Contract Act, an agreement which is enforceable by law at option of one or more parties thereto, but not option of others or others, it is voidable contract. Is actually a void contract is a formal agreement between the parties that may be rendered unenforceable for any number of legal reasons, failure by one